Today is Cozy Corner of Vignette. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. The theme is Fall Apple Cider. The co-hosts are Designed with Emma, myself, Deborah Gabaska Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Z9 Design, Barbara Daly's Rural Life, Ivy Dog, and Annalise Cupboard. Come along as I show you my vignette. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's video is an open collaboration, and it's called Fall Apple Cider. It is a part of the Cozy Corner of Vignette. Come along with me as I show you my vignette, Fall Apple Cider. Now I'll tell you a little bit about my vignette here. On each side, I have a candle holder, and they were from Burlington's. My teapot with my cider was from the Goodwill. The stand that I have it on as a riser was from Home Goods. And the cute little teacups were from Goodwill. And actually, this is a complete place setting that I purchased from the Goodwill. But today I'm using the teacup and saucer. The bowl is from Goodwill. I have leaves and the big white flower balls inside it. Over here on the side, I have added 3 candy apples to the tray. The tray was also a Goodwill find. My little pumpkin in the back says, "Be blessed, be thankful." The apple I have here was a Goodwill find, and the beautiful flowers on each side, they were from Joann Fabric. So this is my vignette for Cozy Corner of Vignette Apple Cider. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more for inviting me to be a part of Cozy Corner of Vignette. I will be leaving her information in my description box and all of the creators who are participating in Cozy Corner, our Vignette. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Cozy Corner, our Vignette, because without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't you forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. I also want to take the time to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the design family. You are truly, truly appreciated. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.